Alright, so I finally found a mod that I'm excited to do to my car. Here it is. Alright, so I was reading all of your comments and suggestions and watching other videos, and I finally landed on a mod that I want to do to my car. I'm excited to do to my car. I think it's going to enhance the look of this thing. So I found a website through all of your suggestions and other videos called luxautoconcepts.net. So check this out. I ordered these light tinting kits. So from luxautoconcepts.net, and for about $94.08 I'm able to easily do the, hopefully easily, we'll find out in a minute, do this myself to the white areas of my taillights and then the marker lights on the back and the sides to all be in the dark smoke. And they have other colors and patterns, etc., but these are awesome. So check these things out. This is great. Everything you need comes in the box. They've thought of it all. Can't beat the price. It comes with a towel, comes with a prep cleaner, comes with a squeegee, even a little Lux sticker. Then got the side markers, got the rear reflectors, and then of course the rear taillights. Also comes with, obviously, as it should, instructions, but I've already watched YouTube videos a million times, so hopefully I don't need those. And then warranty stuff and maybe a shipping label in case, I don't know, want to return it or something. So everything you need is in here. Like I said, 94 bucks. Can't beat the price. And let's see how these things look. Alright, so let's do a little before. Sorry, I'm in the garage and the lighting might not be that good, but it's literally 100 degrees outside here in Orange County, and this week's been insane, so gotta stay in the shade. Here's what it looks like now. And the red doesn't look bad. It does the amber up front, but we're going to color those. Say hi to the car that I never drive anymore because I love my Dodge so much. Alright. So let's put these on. hour and a half, I think. And I am a completely unskilled person when it comes to using their hands for work like this, so check it out. I think it came out great. Not perfect, but pretty darn good. All right, let's look at it in the sunlight.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be.